How's it going? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing / review of the Herschel Charlie Slim Wallet. Let's get into it. So I purchased this from Amazon. As you can see, the packaging is very simple. It does come in a Ziploc bag with the Herschel Supply Company logo on it. I'm not sure if this is only because I ordered it from Amazon or if this is how it's shipped as well from their facilities. But I'm not complaining. It's not a big deal to me. So Herschel Supply Co. is based out of Vancouver, Canada, and they are a brand that offers backpacks, apparel, travel goods, and accessories, that sort of thing. This wallet measures about 7.5 centimeters high, which is about 3 inches, and about 10 centimeters wide, which is close to 4 inches. This wallet is made out of 100% polyester. It comes with 2 card holders on each side and a center pocket for bills or receipts, that sort of thing. Like I said, the fabric is 100% polyester. It has the red and white stripe tab here on the side and the signature stripe fabric liner on the inside. Although these inside tabs are a bit annoying, when you put your credit cards, it seems to get stuck in there. So what I did, I ended up ripping these off just because they really got in the way. So I tested this wallet and it fits about 10 credit cards, give or take, and about 15 bills folded. Herschel does offer quite a bit of colors on this model here. I believe anywhere between, I think, 15 and 20, give or take. I just like to go for the all black and white clean design. They do also have, I believe, some camo and some pink and other patterns that they offer. But this one overall just fits my style, so I really like it. And here you can see the Herschel wallet compared to my previous wallet that I had. They're both very minimal design. As you can see, the Herschel wallet is slightly bigger, and my previous wallet had a tab here that you could pull to release the credit cards, but I was not able to store any cash or receipts in this because stuff would fall off. So the Herschel wallet is better, and it's able to contain more of your bills and cards without worrying about dropping anything. And this wallet comes with RFID blocking. And you might be asking, what the heck is RFID blocking? RFID wallets contain a metal fiber mesh that makes a cage around the chip and that the radio waves cannot penetrate. So that just means that you're prone to somebody out there stealing your credit cards if you don't have stuff like this protecting your wallet. And I've heard of people that make their own homemade version of it where they add aluminum foil or and duct tape it to the wallet, that sort of thing. But that looks a little bit tacky. You're better off just paying a couple bucks and buying a wallet that comes with it already. Alright, so my overall review is that it's a pretty good wallet. If you want a slim wallet and if you want something that fits either in your front or back pocket, it's perfect. It has RFID blocking and it's a cool fabric. It's a good brand, something that's going to last you a long time. It's going to be slim if you're used to those big wallets and bulky, but it's definitely a space saver. For me, it's worked great because I come from this wallet here that I backed on Kickstarter about 2 years ago. This one's been great for the last 2 years, but over time I realized that I sometimes want some cash in here. I don't carry a whole lot of cash, but when I do, it's like $5 or $10, maybe 50 bucks. Just to have them handy, and this never has a slot, so sometimes I would end up putting it on the middle or in between the cards, but I noticed that sometimes when I would pull them out, it would fall out, so that's not a good thing. While this one has a center pocket where you can keep all your cash or receipts or whatever you may have. It's still slim, so I definitely like it. It's quite larger than the one I used to have, but it's still slim enough where it doesn't feel bulky in my pocket. If you guys like these videos, like and subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know what you like to see next, what kind of content. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. RFID blocking wallet. Blech.